Don't get a second job, start doing digital marketing instead. All right. So that is like a popular, I don't know if they call it a slogan, but it's a phrase that I've seen used a lot in the course selling or digital product selling space, right? Using digital marketing. That's one of the things that I see a lot of people say and use as a way to encourage people to give digital marketing a try, right? And it's pretty interesting, like so the whole idea behind it is like, most people have their 9 to 5s and all that type stuff, and then it's hard to make ends meet. So they usually think about the fact that they need to go get maybe a second part-time job to supplement their income, because it's hard enough, or things are tough and tight with the one job that they do have, right? So instead of doing that, the whole idea is like, why not use digital marketing as that second job, right? As a way to to supplement your income. With the whole idea being that because of how good and how lucrative, or in fact, because of the possibilities that are available to you with digital marketing, you could very well more than just supplement your current source of income. You could replace it altogether. All right. And why did this cross my mind is just I thought about the fact that, okay, like right now, for those of you who've been on my channel for a while, you'll know that one of the things that I do, like on a part-time basis, every Friday evening and all day Sunday, is refereeing small-sided soccer games, right? So I'm actually getting ready, and I'm about to go do that right now. And I honestly don't feel like it, but it's just one of those things that I just need to do for the time being. And I just thought to myself, huh, like, this is kind of, if you're wondering, okay, like if that's what I'm doing part time, what is my main thing? Well, my main thing is the digital marketing that I'm doing right now, right? But obviously, the whole idea and goal is going to be to not have to do this anymore, if I don't want to, by the end of this year, right? And so I thought to myself, like a lot of times people make this thing seem so simple, so easy, right? Don't get a second job, start digital marketing. So I just thought, hey, wouldn't it be interesting, like if you're somebody watching, wouldn't it be interesting for you to see what it could be like, right? Experience wise, like what the experience could be like for you if you actually were to try that, right? But and see what it would look like, but maybe from a secondhand point of view, right? Because I'm about to start doing something like just basically start a brand new campaign doing using digital marketing to sell digital products, right? And I'm gonna kick that off tomorrow, okay? And more specifically, right, we're going to be using a business model called affiliate marketing, which you've probably, if you're watching this video, there's a very good chance that you've probably already heard about it, or you know what it is. And if you don't, just so we're all on the same page, it's just basically selling other people's product and services in return for a commission for every sale or lead that you help that business or service generate. Okay, so you don't have to own any products of your own. You don't, yeah, right. You don't have to own or create any products of your own, right? You don't have to mess with any inventory. You don't have to deal with anything, or you don't even have to do customer service, right? These are all things for the vendors or the owners of the products to deal with, right? As an affiliate marketer, your only job is essentially to send business, right? To send eyeballs, to send traffic to somebody else's business. And if they generate us, if they make money or make sales, whatever the case may be, as a result of your marketing efforts, you will earn a commission, right? A percentage of that sale. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, how do they know that, say, somebody coming to buy from them came as a result of your marketing efforts? Well, as an affiliate marketer, generally speaking, you'll typically have what is known as your own unique affiliate link, right? That you use to promote online or offline, however you do it, wherever you do it. But it is a link that is unique to you and only you. Each and every different affiliate has their own unique affiliate link. So much so that if somebody clicks on said link, right, it takes them to the vendor's sales page or whatever it is that they're selling, right? And they can see that it was you who sent them that visitor, and if the visitor makes a purchase, they are able to see that you specifically were the one that sent that visitor that made the purchase, so they know to assign the commission to you, right? So it's one of those things that is absolutely perfect for beginners, right? It's a great way to get started because most of the heavy lifting's already been done for you, like, right? Like I mentioned earlier, the product creation, the customer service, product delivery, and all that type of stuff. You don't have to worry about that. The only thing you need to do is send traffic. So I'm going to start doing, I guess you could look at it as a case study or something where we're just basically going to we're going to have one product that we're going to be promoting. I always tell people that when they get started, ideally, especially if you're just getting started and you're trying to figure things out, start with one product, right? A lot of people have this misconception that in order to be successful with affiliate marketing or promoting products, right, that you have to have like an entire store or promoting like a bunch of different products, right? No, you can make ridiculous amounts of money with a single product, right? A lot of the big time affiliates, that's what they do, right? They may be running several different campaigns, right? But with just one of them is making crazy amounts of money, right? Crazy amounts of money, depending on what method of advertising you're using. Obviously, if you're spending on ads, right, you're gonna make even more, right? Organic methods, right? Methods in which you spending your time where you're not actually paying for the advertising. Those take a little bit longer to build, right? And that's what we're going to be doing, right? Because most people getting started with this, right, they don't usually go in with big budgets to advertise and all that. They do it the organic way, and that's how we're going to be doing it. So we'll have an idea. We'll basically see how, like, what it could look like based on the amount of work that's being put in, right? And what it could look like and how long it could look like before you start generating sales and all that type of stuff, if at all we even generate any sales. Okay, so that's just going to be something for you to take into consideration. Now, if you are interested in getting started with this for yourself, right, I do have like there are two courses linked in the description below this video that you can get access to. Those are the teachings and the methods taught in those two courses are the ones that we're going to be using on this case study slash journey, whatever the case may be, right, to promote the one product that we're going to be promoting starting tomorrow. Okay, the first link in the description below this video is a link to a course that's going to teach you how to grow a threads, a following on threads and monetize it, right? And threads, I always I'm recommending to a lot of beginners because it's the most simple platform to start growing the following on and monetizing, right? And monetizing not through their, like they don't the Threads bonus program, I don't think is no longer, it doesn't exist anymore, right? This is monetizing through your own products that you're selling. So with, like the affiliate products that you might want to sell, right? Because it doesn't require any video, right? You don't have to be on video, which I know is a huge roadblock for a lot of people getting started. They don't want to be on camera, right? So it's just text, right? It's a text-based app, and it's basically Instagram's version of X, right? Twitter. And you know, that course will show you basically how to go about monetizing, how to go about growing an account and affect it like quickly with the right strategy, and using that strategy to make money with it. Then the second link in the description below this video is another course that teaches you, gives you a even bigger and broader, more foundational education on digital marketing. And it has various different, like, so the primary platform that you'll be learning about there, how to promote on, is Instagram, and then they also go into TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, right? So those two courses are the ones that I'm going to be actively going through and following in, and implementing their methods in this this journey that we start that I'll be starting tomorrow. Okay, coming with the upcoming videos, I'll provide even more information, and you'll see how that goes. You can follow along, see how it goes. I would encourage you to actually do it yourself as well. Do it yourself and try to make sales for yourself. But anyway, I'll tell you more about it. As we go tomorrow. I've been posting videos every day, so every single day you will get some kind of update on everything that I'm doing and how it's going. Right. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section below. I will be sure to respond, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.